So, in the first video of this series of where I'm 3D printing tabletop miniatures that you can use in tabletop warfare games, I showed off this one. This is the free Socrates mini that you get from Station Forge. So you can, test the colors, get, see their listings and whatnot. So I got this and I was like, I need more infantry. I need more, Prime Brothers, as they're called in one-page rules Grimdark feature, or as they look like and would represent in Games Workshop Warhammer 40k, Intercessors. So, as we can see in front of me, I have a baggie of minis. And I started bagging up my minis so I can keep them organized in between projects, in between videos. And right here we have a bag of basically Prime Brothers with I think they're assault blasters or heavy rifles. I can't remember the term for it. But we've got a unit of them here. So let's get assembling. Okay, so here we have it. We have 10 Prime Brothers, or if we're playing Games Workshop's Warhammer 40k, 10 Space Marine Intercessors. And these look really cool. So these two right here, these are from the free sample kit that I showed in the first video of this series. It should still be free right now if you want to go download it and print those. But here are 8 Prime Brothers I printed for this video. And what I like specifically about this, about how Station Forge grouped a lot of these figures, is you can just mix and match. You've got an assortment of body types, an assortment of arm positions, some heads, some pauldrons, and you just assemble them however you want to. For example, we've got a figure that could, objectively be a leader. We've got a Prime Brother holding his blaster and his helmet and his head's exposed and just standing there like a leader. And we could say, hey, this is the leader of this unit, which would give it, additional effects and stats and whatever. But other than that, we've just got a lot of different poses. And you're probably wondering now, how much will this cost you? Well, if you're buying just the Socrates infantry pack, this would cost you about $15 for just the STLs, the OBJ files. And then from there, printing would cost you about $2 in resin, I believe. And you get yourself 10 Prime Brothers for about $2 of resin after the price of the files. I personally think that's a deal, especially when we look at the price of Intercessors from Games Workshop, and that will cost you around $6 a figure, depending on if we're going with the regular Intercessors or the heavy Intercessors. I don't really know if they're interchangeable or not, but just the price of it, the figures themselves, that's concerning. $6 a figure. As we can see here, we've got 10 Prime Brothers for about $2 of resin. And I'm probably going to print more of these and maybe some their upgraded forms for my planned Prime Brother, army at some point. We'll see. But thank you all for watching. I should have done this video earlier in the series, but I want to show off some of the other cool builds like the Chaplain, the Archivist, the Banner Bearer, stuff like that. I want to show those off. But yeah, thank you all for watching, and I want to do more content like this where I show off more figures that can be used in one-page rolls at Grimdark Future. So if you all have recommendations, post them down below, and I'll see if I can get to it. So thank you all for watching. Have a good day.